Being healthy and having good health is very important for every person. But how can this be achieved? Let's talk about swimming today. And then I will tell you 8 reasons for you to decide to take up swimming and 2 reasons to be wary of. So, swimming is first of all. Development of all muscle groups. Posture improvement. Prevention of heart disease. Strengthening the respiratory muscles. Immunity boost. Possibility to lose weight. Removal of stress. Getting pleasure. There are only 2 things to watch out for when swimming in a pool. This is about personal hygiene. After all, you are not alone in the pool, and take care of your eyes, skin, and hair, as chlorine-containing preparations are added to the water. Have a great swim, friends.